passes by. Oh yeah, it's that feeling of pure happiness, electric currents buzzing through our nerves. And I know it's such a cliche, but I felt more than I could ever say, laughing at everything, crying with every sting, like the waves we crashed and turned, but somehow we still probably burned. I think I needed you more though. You held me through my family storm. Oh, the days I couldn't take it, you held me close under the blankets. Yeah, there's so much I still have to say though, but probably never will. Thank yous and apologies. I wish you were still calling me. Do you remember that time when those cops caught us in that lifeguard stand? We laughed so hard we nearly cried. We had fun though we didn't try. And oh, remember when you smoked with me? Well, you coughed instantaneously. We started driving, that's when you tripped. Hallucinating with every rip. There's so much I still have to say though, but probably never will. Thank yous and apologies. I wish you were still calling.